If you want to get more visibility and increase sales for your eBay items, sharing your listings on Facebook is a great strategy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to share eBay listings on Facebook step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to promote your products and reach more potential buyers easily. First, open the eBay website or app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the listing you want to share. This can be an active item you're selling or even a listing you want to promote. On the listing page, look for the Share button. It is usually represented by a share icon. Click on it and you'll see different sharing options. Choose Facebook from the list. If you're using a desktop browser, a Facebook sharing window will open. Here, you can add a caption or description to your post. Write something engaging that highlights the key features of your product and encourages people to click the link. If you're using a mobile device, selecting Facebook will redirect you to the Facebook app. From there, you can choose whether to share the listing on your timeline, in a group, or on a page you manage. Before posting, you can customize your audience, tag friends, or add extra details to increase reach. Once everything looks good, click on the Post button to share your listing. Another method is to copy the listing link directly from eBay and paste it into a Facebook post. Facebook will automatically generate a preview of your listing, including the image and title. Sharing your listings in relevant Facebook groups or marketplaces can also help you reach buyers who are actively looking for similar products. In this tutorial, we learn how to share eBay listings on Facebook by using the Share button, posting directly through the Facebook app, or copying the listing link. This simple step can help increase visibility and drive more sales. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.